Dark.
Fucking racist. I just got 2v2.
Oh. Lit. Why does that sound so weird? Wow. Why does that sound so weird? Why does that sound so weird? Oh my god! I'm about to starve to death!
Why?
It takes away your hunger.
Oh.
It does.
Oh, this thing. Oh, doing this thing does.
Yeah. What the fuck? I didn't know it'd take away hunger. Bow. Fuck. No cloth.
I don't know why I enjoyed that so much.
Why? What?
Whoa lag! Whoa lag!
Oh. Spears aren't even worth crap.
Have any Yoka at least.
I don't.
I'm bleeding.
Why aren't you moving?
I'm gone. I ran away. Well, yeah. You didn't ask that. Ooh.
That's a person.
Bum.
I got a bow. I got a bow.
Okay.
I think I heard a person. And I still do.
There's a guy right in front of me.
Shoot. Oh, he running, boy. He running.
Ooh.
Yo, is it you? Is it my homeboy?
Yeah, it's me. It's me.
It's me.
It's me. Where's his bow? I need it.
You want his bow? Oh, here.
Also here, I got you another toy.
Ooh, I like that one.
Actually, here, take this too.
He spawned.
Yeah, I know. He lives in that base up there.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Not go here.
Guy.
Where?
This way. Going to the right.
I hear him.
You're walking right in front of me.
Hit him.
Miss. God, I'm literally about to.
Oh, no, fuck that shit. Let's get out. Yo, Weston, where the fuck you go?
To the left.
Why? We're not fighting that. You high?
Is it? It's a custom.
We're gonna die. Are we doing this?
I'd be down to go to the supermarket if you want. I don't care.
I'd rather leave and not lose our shit.
Oh, there's a guy behind us. We'll have to kill him to get out. There's a guy behind us, Caden. He's like really close behind
Come this
you.
way. Come this way. You want to kill the guy in the market?
No, they're coming. The custom guy's coming. He's on this rock. Bro,
shit.
I kind of want to take this.
We're gonna die.
It's only one guy with the custom.
The only way we win this is if... Only way we win is if we sneak up on him, or he jumps down. Did I make noise?
No. I didn't hear it if you did. Oh, he got lasered. He's getting lasered. Wait, he's dead, I think.
Let's leave. I don't want to get silenced.
He's dead. Wait. He's coming to loot this body.
Where?
Right in front of me. He's low.
He's running.
You got everything? What?
No way.
Call him Rick Bryan. I don't even know who that is. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, if I had buckshot, bro.
Where the fuck did he go?
That's a bag. Dang, he just dipped, bro.
Where the fuck did he go?
He dipped, bro.
Alright, let's just leave.
I don't have a lot of mats, but if you do, then...
Do you want to walk around here? Or no?
Sure.
I'd be nice to hold here. Yeah, I can hold everything. Stack this one.
You should
This
have
is
a
how
knob.
I build CVs.
Really
Door-
just
yeah.
step.
Yeah.
That's all you do.
Is I didn't want it anyway. Hey, where are we going? Wanna go to the junkyard?
Sure.
King at all.
Ow.
Fuck! Good thing I got pumpkin.
Okay.
What? Was I not supposed
Wow,
to
that's
say
a
that
lot
word?
of scrap. Roll!
That scared the shit out of me. To be
What
honest.
was that?
There's a guy! There's a guy! The guy did that. And
What
what?
the fuck? He's a crazy
what?
bastard.
Shoot him!
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm loaded, boys.
Oh, it's a little swisher. You're dead! It's a little swisher.
I'm on 2v1.
It's a little swisher.
We should come up here, and then you should let me check real quick. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's Pog. Should equal that shit.
I'm full inventory. Oh yeah, that's right. You wanted me to keep that hollow so
What? You wanna go home? Here?
No, this right here. Oh,
No, you can't.
I
I
meant the
don't
key
think you
card.
can.
I just realized I was holding
Don't
chicken
feel
trying to put it
like-
on.
Fuck your mom, fuck your bitch, your mom likes you so big. You a bitch, you a bitch, you a bitch.
What the fuck?
I can't! Why can't I get up? It's pissing me off. I can't jump right here. Pissing me off, actually. Like, I'm actually fucking pissed right now. Dude, Fuck, I can't get it! Alright. It's empty. Oh, I can't fucking... Alright. That shit pissed me off. Fuck. I can't get over that. It's just making me mad. Oh, was that you?
No, it's just a random guy just turned around right in front of you with a pitchfork.
I wasn't paying attention. Cut short, by the way.
Python.
I see a guy. Two running down the road. Oh! Run for your life.
Sounds good. Not yet. I'm just eating apples.
Me too. To be honest.
We have a home.
You remember that?
Man.
For your life. You remember that? You don't remember that?
Oh.
I hear him. I just heard the wall crumble.
Wall?
Yeah, it sounded like stone. Oh,
Oh. Sound like shotgun? Spaz?
maybe.
Sounds like. Hazmat? Or boots?
Throw more sentries. He's dead.
Both?
Just one.
Oh, there's only one.
Move! Back up, bro!
Oh, C4. I'm taking a gun. We need to get TC.
We'll get it.
Shoot it out. I'll make door.
Place CC, make door. Make door first, and then place CC. Yo, get out of that corner. So I can hold door.
Can you take everything out of TC?
It is loaded.
Alright, I got it. Oh my god. Good shit, man.
I just ran in there with the TP and shot one bullet. He went down. 436 crap. So he's outside.
Well, a guy outside, man. We don't know if it's him or give me anybody.
Fucking easy clap, bro. Oh, wait. Easy? Full metal.
Workbench too?
Yeah, we should grab that. With us.
You have, oh wait. We didn't even loot his body yet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's running. I'm full metal.
That boy on. What else? Put that boy on. Kinda want some of this stuff.
I want that computer. Ooh, just normal pants. Easy. Froggy boots.
Workbench
Wait, what
level
is
2.
this? Oh, nothing good. Cross. Hey, triangle ladder hatch. Oh, that's not bad.
Fuses. That's, yeah, more than 5, but. Yeah, I know. That's not bad, bro.
It does the job.
I just heard a tree. I think it's to our right. Naked, I say.
Dude, what's up? Who hurt y'all, bro? Why are y'all so fucking aggressive, dude?
We're gonna get hit by my, that was a pump, right?
That was an AK.
Hey, springs.
Guy.
Fast
on the road.
fuck! What?
Guy at the road down there.
I see him. Yeah, I see him. Is he here? Is he good? He's
I
here.
couldn't really tell.
He is either black or he has some gear on him.
Oh, he's black.
Okay. So he's naked?
Give me the money!
Put the money in my bag. Yo. gonna go on a trip.
Yeah, our favorite rocket ship.
Into the sky.
Little Einsteins.
Climb aboard. Get ready to explore. There's so much to find.
Little Einsteins.
Going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire song. Yeah, we're going on a trip. Suck my dick and give it a lick.
And I coom in your eyes. Little Einstein.
That's
Jump aboard. You are about to explore. Well, I'm about to explore. You're inside. Little Einstein.
oh god, no. I'm about to explore your insides, little Einsteins. Jesus.
The fuck? Better be a 2-3. That's what I fucking thought. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ.
What?
I wanna die.
What's your fucking problem, huh? You got a problem? Say it to my
Yes.
face!
I wanna die.
Hey, get the MP5. What do you want? What do you want? Why are you looking at me?
Miss Lambo.
Chromosome. I hear a guy. I hear a guy. I hear a guy. Bowman.
Come here. Oh, okay, fine. Come here. Come here, and we won't kill you. Come here, and we will not kill you. Hey, you'll get the sword. Put the machete
I just need
away.
some rope, bro.
Put the machete away.
I just want some rope. That's all I need.
He
Okay.
needs rope. The man
That's all
needs
I'm looking
rope.
for.
Okay, I'll throw it back here. We will do not. Okay,
Okay, there's
you
a guy
can pick
coming out
it.
of that base behind you.
What? What did he say?
There's a guy coming out the
I
basement.
saw him run. Swear to God. I'll turn my back.
I heard him. I heard him.
There's a
Just
rope.
saying.
There's rope over here if you want it. It's a machete. I'm just gonna kill him.
Okay.
I heard a guy.
Okay, dude.
I heard a guy. There was a guy here.
Yeah, no, I heard him too.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Dead.
Did you kill him?
Oh, get him! Get him! Fuck him up! Not me! Oh god, what the hell, man? I was cheering you on.
Wait, he's not dead?
Wait,
Huh?
is he not?
Cheering you on. I
No.
ain't got nothing.
You haven't gone inside? You haven't gone inside at all?
Pumpy.
Nice.
He looks loaded, but he's not that loaded.
Yeah. Just take a shit. Well, let's go.
I'm at 100 HP. I don't remember eating anything. Wait,
Kill death ratio 0.0.
you haven't
0 kills, 0 deaths.
slash.
0 headshots, 0 noob kills.
I have an 8 KD, 8 kills, 0 deaths, 4 headshots, 0 noob kills.
Uh-huh.
It really says that.
0 noob kills?
Yeah.
That's cap. Ready to go.
Wait, do you want to go explore the trains?
Okay.
You want to?
Okay.
Bet. Let's do it. EDU on the server.
Yeah, I know.
You want to go to the ranch?
No.
No, that's gonna junk. Actually, go down.
No.
Oh, it's gonna be It's actually gonna be pretty cool.
I'm hearing it from you. Whoa. That was scary.
Right here. Oh, the
What?
board.
Okay.
Turn your flashlight on. You run
Oh,
out.
we can't go lower.
Which way you want to go, left or right?
Pull to the right.
You mean left.
No, to the right.
Okay.
Go slower.
Hey, we keep going down, bro. Yep, and now we're here. Yeah, the tunnel dwellers are out there. Wait, where they at, though? Oh, it's looted.
I don't see any.
Someone's been here. So you want to get a train?
I'm in a train.
Do you want to drive the train? No, no, no. Get in this one. Get in this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to drive.
Wait,
the
wait.
train.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Get the fuck out of my way.
I can't.
Come here. Come here. You take low grade, you idiot.
Why?
Get low grade. Put it in the fuel. No. Put it in the fuel.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do that for me.
And then go.
Whoa!
Forward.
It's going backwards. Okay.
We're crashing.
Here it is.
We're crashing.
Watch.
Yo, wait, stop it, stop it, stop it. Hey, stop the train. You're going backwards now. Put it on 0. Alright, pop out.
Yeah.
Wait, they don't work. They don't actually look around. Oh, how much DP? Oh,
That's PogChamp.
hell.
Didn't make sound.
Get on. Keep her going. Wait, Kane, look at me. I can sit up here. Wait, do you want me
Okay.
to drive it? Let's see what it's like out here.
Wait, are you gonna hit your head?
Maybe.
Wait, what if I jump up now? Woo! Looted.
Really?
Not looted. Not yet. Pain! Phone!
No, 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 no. Come back. Go, 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 go. Say no.
Hey, hey, watch this, watch this. Ready? Ready, ready? Alright, let's try this again. Hey. Fuck, what's that? Go through. What the fuck? Get shit on, kid. Boy around the map. On the
I've done
train.
that. Kind of cool. Because honestly, you could make it so fast.
Yeah, you just don't stop. I mean, I could teleport back with a bunch of shit right now.
True.
So, I have like 300 scrap on me.
If you want to, you could.
I'm done.
Here, just grab everything off me. Everything that you can.
Oh, I might go off some shit.
Make sure you grab this though. Make sure you grab that.
Do we need bean can?
No.
We don't really need that.
Make sure you grab this right here. Right here. Make sure. Yeah, grab everything. Yeah, you can. Alright.
Okay.
Can you get no breaks?
Oh, forgot.
Oh my.
I'm kidding!
God,
Oh.
you're so stupid. God. Alright, we're good. You have to admit though, this is pretty fun.
Whoa! I'm gonna get that military grade also.
Yeah, no, I saw that too.
Oh, looted.
Bruh.
They didn't. So.
Wait, there's a train coming. Oh, they're gonna ram into it.
What?
No, there's no train.
I can't shoot them. What? They're gonna slow down though. Headshot. Hit him. Fuck.
Wait, he jumped out.
Did he?
Yeah, he's not in it anymore.
He's on the ground.
Maybe he's not in his train anymore.
but it slowed down.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. I see him. He's on the right.
Where? On the right?
He's behind the cart. He's behind the cart. Help.
Dead.
GG.
Fucking. Oh. Yeah, he's dead already. Oh.
Okay, so, you want to go back to where we were beforehand?
I mean,
And like, we can.
kinda.
Okay, let's go back and then let's turn a different way. We have to get in
Yeah,
this
I
one.
wanna
We have to
go
get in
the
this
other
one.
way. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Alright, I got.
Yeah, just leave it there.
At the face. Drop that boy. Drop it like a boy.
Oh my god, it's actually hella good move.
Yeah. What's your point?
That's not our train.
I like that back.
Ooh, looks like Kobe, dude.
I found the
Why
guy.
is there a dead body? Is this tunnel dweller? Oh! Oh! Oh!
20 C4, 100 rockets.
What? Why is this just here? Yeah, but still, I'll take it.
I'm ready to go.
Let's go, man. Look how far we have to go, though. Look at the map.
Gonna be fun.
Rocket! Oh, another rocket! Hey,
Double rocket. Boom, bam. Hey. Oh, that was so funny. Oh, fuck. That was so funny to me. Shit. That was so fucking funny. Oh my god. That's all I got for you.
here, take that.
Okay.
Ready?
No.
Wait, there's people.
Oh.
You're not
I
on?
can't get on. I can't get on. I can't get on. Alright, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
They're coming towards us. They're coming towards
Backwards,
us.
backwards, backwards, go. Oh my god.
Oh!
I hit one.
That was horrible.
I killed one. Stop, stop, stop.
Wait, it was only him, I think.
He's dead.
You got him with the grenade.
Yeah, I killed him with the nade. Oh my god, that was fucking great.
No way. 300 fuel!
I got him with the nade.
You mean to come loot?
Yeah, I don't got it. Chat, bruh.
What?
Little swisher in chat.
He's still on.
Yeah.
No way, though.
I got one down to 18 HP. Well, the first
There's only
grenade got him
one
down to
left.
18 HP. Yeah. Wait. Wait. I killed two guys.
Wait, what?
I killed another guy. I killed another guy. We gotta go back. I gotta go backwards. I killed another guy with the first grenade. The first grenade, it says 100 to 0 killed. And then the other one says 18.8 to 0 killed.
Is that a person?
Yeah. Because I threw the first grenade and got down to one guy down to 18 HP and one I killed. So. Is that it? Yes,
No
sir.
way.
Yes, sir. I killed them both with grenades. That's
The
crazy.
odds of that. That was fun.
I wish I would have clipped that. Those grenade kills.
I recorded it.
Oh yeah. Dude,
Wait,
that's
there's a guy here. Guy here.
Oh, that's not good. L9. I'm about to grenade these motherfuckers.
I'm gonna watch all that. I have so much on me. I have 700 scrap. That literally landed directly next to me. Hit 4 times. Hit 4 times.
I'm dead.
There's 3. There's 3. GG's. GG's. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Yep. So what do you want to do now? Gear up and go back down underneath?
I mean, yeah. Go the other way, maybe. What?
I have to admit though, it's actually pretty fun.
And then I got. Do you want me to get the components? I want.
Alright, you just hold down D. Okay, now we're reversing. Hold down S.
I know.
A.
I know. I
I don't think you do that.
know. I know.
Yep, we're perfect. We did it. Wait, what? Oh. Oh,
Oh,
wait, keep going back, keep going back, keep going back.
there's 2.
Yeah. We're gonna push them.
Take one to
Wait, there's a guy here.
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
There's LR.
Wait, they're AK.
You want LR?
I don't care.
I'll take AK. Give me that AK, boy. Drop that LR here. Thank you, sir. What the fuck? Man. What was that?
900 scrap.
All I heard was
900 scrap.
I think we just ran into the guys that killed us.
Maybe. Honestly.
And they're all dead. 2 armored doors, 25 pipes.
Wait.
all
give
the
me comps. Give me
grenades.
comps. Give me comps.
Comps.
Components.
I put it.
Wait, there's
on this
another dead body over there.
Holy shit, you scared the fuck out of me. There was a guy.
Here we go.
Holy shit. I know, I saw it.
I can't loot it.
There's
just
still shit
comps.
on this body.
I say we depot.
One at a time.
I mean,
Let's go to the farthest train. And then just, one of us hold off on this.
alright, I'm just gonna AFK over here on this side. Well, not AFK, but like, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, fuck, I wanted to grab a hazmat. Whatever.
It's fine. Turn your flashlight off. ever see us coming.
Besides the giant horn that goes on. Like that one. That was perfect.
What the fuck?
I'm down. I think I killed one. I don't know where my gun is. I don't have my gun, kid. I can't see.
Can't see. You wanna say fuck it and go forward?
Go for it. Wait, I'm not on. Yeah, I'm on. Go. I'm trusting you, Kate.
Watch out.
Wait, okay.
I'm going here. What? Fuck. I don't know, man. I don't know, man.
I don't have a weapon.
I don't know if his teammate's up or not.
Here, I can check my combat log.
Oh, I killed one. I killed one.
So it's just you.
Go back. Go back. Go back. I have a pumpy for you. You want that?
Yeah, wait. Stop the train, stop it.
Alright, spam me. Spam me. Ready?
Alright, spam. Good. It's underneath the train. I got it. Good. Oh, I'm dead. I'm down again. Up top. I'm full dead. I'm full dead. Yep. They TP'd their faggot friend back. If you want to, you can
Get
go
a gun.
forward. And yeah, TP back.
They got your body.
Med sticks. Need ammo. There we go. Type slash TPR Darkling.
You're teleporting.
Oh, I got it. You just have to ditch.
Go medium?
Wait, they're coming this way.
What do you mean?
They're coming this way on the train tracks.
Jump off?
No. Go forward. Yeah, jump off. Go. He's in front of us. You see him? He's in the middle.
I don't know. Well, I mean, you shot at him.
He's behind that giant thing right in front of you. Yep. Him. He's dead.
Body headshot?
Yeah, I
Nice.
shot that guy. Other guy's back more. We can't let him run. I need a meds real quick.
I'm just spamming you. Is he running?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy was loaded.
Yeah, just loot him. He has my kit on.
He had your kit, yeah. You want your kit?
He's gonna
Or-
TP. No. Look at me. I'm
I'll
dripped,
take
bro.
the kit.
Thompson. Easy. Here, can I have my
Yeah,
Thompson?
his friend took all the... I don't have your Thompson.
Wait, did they? Oh, they didn't get my Thompson. Oh wait, yeah, my Thompson. I lost it a while ago when they downed me. It's like more like right up this way, close. Oh, there it is. Can I have? Actually, never mind. I got pistol ammo, a lot. Some. How do I have 60 extra pistol ammo?
I'm gonna sit right here, I think. Wait for him to come.
Okay.
Nah, they're not coming back. If they are, they're gonna come from the other way.
I don't see our train, but they get despawned.
I mean, I'm fine with just TPing back right now, like both of us.
Right. to being home. The AI shady spawn, I'm pretty sure. Am I deeper than AFK?
Well, you just have to do homework?
Kinda wanna go to that.
You gotta do homework, man.
I kinda wanna go to that first.
I don't care.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
We're going.
Yeah.
I don't even know where it is.
This way.
That.
Take it to our left.
Boots, boots, boots. Oh, that's the 3-man with AKs right there. Weston, no. No.
And
Weston, we need
one
to
guy
go.
was on this.
We need to go, bro. I just saw
Why?
3 full metal kits.
Oh, guy in space just came out.
On me right now, Weston. LR's fucking... I'm about to come back.
Where was the bodies at? I see a guy.
I don't know.
There's a guy looting.
I'm about to shoot.
Oh, middle guy, double body headshot him. He ran inside. What a fucking bitch.
I have full metal. They looted my body.
What a
And they got the LR.
bitch, bro.
I got full metal though.
I forgot to take it off earlier.
Not really.
Oh! I'm going to die.
Did he go back inside?
Yeah. He literally opened his door and then shot. What a bitch. Literally 5 HP. It's all, he ran out, he ran out, he ran out. I'm medding.
Which side?
He ran out to the left. There's a guy on me! Oh my fucking god. God, that
dead.
guy sucks.
He killed me last bullet. And his friend's outside.
Bro, it's not his friend.
Whoever the fuck it is.
It's the other party.